Hello, this is Joe with Backcountry Solar. Today we're going to show you our conversion van kit. Over the last year and a half we have seen several conversion vans come in and we installed solar and power inverters and such in them. This is the basic kit that we've been installing and it has been proving itself. Inside vans, space is limited. So is the weight, carrying large amounts of weight and stuff. So we designed this kit using two 100 amp hour lithium battle-borne batteries. This kit also comes with a Magnum 2000 watt pure sine power inverter. This has a built-in charger also, and we'll have a plug on the outside for your shore power. This kit comes with the wire to connect to your shore power from the power inverter to plug in the shore power if you need. It also comes with 120 volt wire to run two legs out of this power inverter, two separate outlets. This power inverter has two built-in 20 amp breakers in it. That way it alleviates the need for a separate breaker box, which can take up more space. This kit also comes with the Victron BMV 712 battery monitor. Comes with the Magnum remote display. Comes with the 300 amp fuse for the 2-watt cables connecting the power inverter to the batteries that protects them. So it comes with a 12 space fuse box. This is needed for you to take and run wires to your light switches, your refrigerator, or whatever else you might be running off the 12 volt. It comes with the solar wire to run from the roof port cap down to the charge controller, and with the wire to go from the charge controller to the fuse and to the proper connections that you would see in the drawings. It also comes with a cutoff switch, a power port with two USB plugs on it, be charging cell phones, and it does come with the wiring harness for that. This kit comes with two 90 watt L panels. We have another kit that comes with two 115 watt solar panels, or two of the Zamp Solar 170 watt solar panels. We can change the configuration of these panels on any kit. We could even take out the batteries if you prefer to use a different type of battery. Now, this kit also comes with the Zamp Solar sidewall port. This is great, neat, because if you're camping in the shade or whatever, plugging in a portable tube to give you more charging power is greatly benefited. This can be used as tied in directly to the charge controller, to where you use the non-regulated portable, or you can use a regulated portable, and the connections would tie in differently, which you would see in the diagrams. Upon purchasing your kit, you will see detailed photos of this kit as a guide for as you're installing. You will also receive step-by-step instructions. This kit, totally installed inside a van, takes up a footprint space of about 36 inches by 22 inches. The inverter does need to have air flow around it and through it to keep it cool when it is running at peak. This inverter will take and run your coffee pots. It will run an induction top. It will run in a microwave or a hair dryer if needed, and will charge laptops and cell phones safely, as will the USB port for the cell phones. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 970-245-8046. Thank you.